हेलो नमस्ते एवरीवन। वेलकम है आप सबका आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल लेट्स लर्न मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम सीखने वाले हैं सीबीएसई क्लास 10 मैथमेटिक्स का टॉपिक रियल नंबर्स। तो चलो तो शुरुआत करते हैं। सो इन दिस टॉपिक वी विल स्टडी फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ अरिथमेटिक, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ रियल नंबर्स, टू फाइंड एचसीएफ एंड एलसीएम यूजिंग प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन। तो आज का आपका पहला टॉपिक है फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ अरिथमेटिक। The statement of fundamental theorem of arithmetic is every composite number can be expressed or factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which prime factor occurs. I will repeat it once again. Every composite number can be written or factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which prime factor occurs. So it means that given any composite number, we can factorize it as a product of primes, and that factorization will be unique. Only order can be different. For example, if you given a number 50 factorized, then if it is given to the 100 students, all the 100 students will get same answer. All the 100 students will get same answer, and that answer will be 50 can be factorized as 2 into 25, 5 into 5, 5 into 1. So these are the possible factors of 50. So let us go to the next topic with some examples. Suppose we have numbers 30 and factorize 30 as a product of primes. We will start with the smallest even prime, that is 2, into 15, then divide by 3, into 5, then 5 ones are 5. So we can say that factors of 30 are 2, 3, 5. Now to factorize 45 as a product of primes, it is odd prime, so we will begin with 3. It is divisible by 3 as 4 plus 5 is 9, which is multiple of 3. So if we divide by 3, we will get 15. Again 15 is divisible by 3, 5s are, and again 5. So 45 has factors 3, 3, 5. Now let us do the factorization of 240. So the factors of 240, it is even number. We begin with 2 into 120, 2 into 60, 2 into 30, then 2 into 15, then we will have 3 into 5, and 5 ones are. So I hope the concept is clear to you. What is prime factorization? How to find prime factors of given. The next application of fundamental theorem is to find HCF and LCM of the numbers. Now, as we know all, we studied in previous classes that HCF is highest common factor. HCF is highest common factor of the numbers, and LCM is least common multiple. LCM is least common multiple of the numbers. By prime factorization method, there is a way to solve HCF and LCM. So LCM is the product of greatest powers of each prime factor. LCM is product of greatest powers, and HCF is the product of smallest powers of the factors of numbers. So let us consider this concept with the help of example. Suppose we have given the number 32 and 54. To factorize 32, we will start with the smallest even prime as it is even. So it will be 16. Then divide by 2 again. It is 8 divided by 2, 4, 2, 2, 2 and 1. So I can say that 32 is 2 raised to 5. Then factors of 54. To find out prime factorization of 54, we will again start with even prime 2. It is 27. Then 3, 9, 3, 3, 3 and 1. So I can say 54 is equals to 2 raised to 1 and 3 raised to 3. Now all different factors that occur in prime factorization of 32 and 54 are 2 and 3. But the factor of 3 is absent in 32. So we can say it is 3 raised to 0. Now according to the definition, HCF is product of minimum powers of factor 2 and 3. So it will be 2 raised to 1 and the minimum power of 3 is 0. So it is equals to 3 raised to 0. So 2 raised to 1 is 2. 3 raised to 0 is 1. Any number raised to 0 power is always 1. So answer is 2. Now LCM is product of greatest powers. So we have 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 3. 2 raised to 5 is 32 and 3 cube is 27. And now once you calculate this product, you will get LCM of the two numbers 32 and 50. So in the same way, if you try with the example 200 and 170, so the prime factors of 200, it is even, so start with 2, we get 100 divided by 2 again, 50 divided by 2, 25, then 5, 5, 5, 1. So we can say that 200 is equals to 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 5 square. And then prime factors of 170 can be factorized as, again it is even number divided by 2. So it is 85 and 5, 17, 17 itself is prime number 1. Factorization of 170 is 2 into 5 into 70. Now to find HCF and LCM. According to the definition, HCF of 200 and 170 is the product of minimum powers that occurs in factorization of 200 and 170. The different factors are 2, 5, 17. The minimum power of 2 is 1, minimum power of 5 is also 1, minimum power of 17, that is 0, as it does not appear in the factorization of 200. So answer is 2 into 5 into 1, that is 10. In the same way, LCM is the product of maximum powers of all factors, that is 2 into 5 into 17. The maximum power that occur is 2 cube, 5 square and 71. Now we know 2 cube is 8, 5 square is 25 into 17. 25 is 200 into 17 and the answer will be 340. So in this way we can factorize and find out HCF and LCM of the two numbers. So I hope that all the concepts that we studied are very clear to you. So what we studied today is fundamental theorem. Then we studied how to find prime factors and using prime factor HCF and LCM. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon so that you will get notified when more such useful videos are uploaded on the channel.